Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. English summary, Book 2, Lecture 2, Part A1. Keep in mind 5 types of khabar. It is very important. Having understood Mubtada and khabar very well, many things will become very easy. With inna, something else comes in the Quran. Allah Ghafur Rahim. Allah is most forgiving, most merciful. Allahu is Mubtada, Ghafurun is Khabar, and Rahimun is also Khabar. When it comes to Allah, we cannot say Rahimun is not. Only when it comes to Allah. We'll say Khabar number 2. Now I'm writing Rabbuka Ghafur Rahim. Rabbu is Mubtada, wa huwa mudaf, ka mudaf alayhi, Ghafurun Khabar, and Rahimun is also khabar. Now I add lam. La Rabbuka Ghafurur Rahim. La Rabbuka Ghafurur Rahim. What is this lam? In Arabic language, there are beautiful methods of putting emphasis, which truly speaking, you cannot translate. You can understand in the language itself. This lam is called lamu ibtidai. It is mudaf alayhi, the lam of beginning. When lamu ibtidai is used, it emphasizes the whole sentence. When you say Rabbuka, it is normal. But when you say La Rabbuka, then there is emphasis on Rabbuka. When lam comes in the beginning, it is called lamu ibtidaiya, lam of beginning. Now, inna, it is walking and it comes and look at La Rabbuka Ghafurur Rahim. So inna says to lam, who are you? Why are you standing in front of Rabbuka? What are you doing here? What is your job? Why you came in front of Rabbuka? These are all the questions she asked to lam. The lam says, I emphasize the whole sentence. Inna says, but nothing changed. Rabbuka still is Rabbuka. Even you added lam, la Rabbuka. What kind of emphasis is this? Get lost. Look at me when I come in the front, what happens to the sentence. So then lam is pushed and the lam slips because inna is coming to show what type of a job inna does. As soon as inna came, la rabbuka became inna rabbaka. You see, rabbu, rabba, mansoob now. But lam says, I will still be part of the sentence and will still give emphasis. So it became Inna Rabbaka la Ghafurur Rahim. Can you really translate this with 2 words emphasizing in one sentence? No. The sweetness and the eloquence is in the language. That is why it's so important for us to learn the language of the Quran. Like this, there are hundreds of examples of various kinds in the Quran, where you cannot simply translate it. Since lam is not in the beginning, now it is called al-lamu muzahadaqatu. For simplicity, we can say skating lam. Innal insana lafi khusr. Truly, every human being is in great loss. Inna is harfu tawqidin wa nazbin. Al-insana is ismu inna mansoob. La is lamu muzahadaqat littawqidi. You're still emphasizing. And fi khusrin is jar majroor shubu jumla khabru inna. Innaka la minal mursaleen. Surah Yasin. Yasin wal Quran al-Hakim. Innaka la minal mursaleen. Truly, is not enough because lam has to come to emphasize. You cannot translate. Truly, you are surely one of the messengers. Nobody say twice, surely and surely. But anyhow, if you understand Arabic, you can know it. There's big emphasis in the sentence. Inna is harfu tawqeedin wa nasbin. Ka is ismu inna mansoob. La is allamu muzahalaqa li-tawqeedi. And min al-mursaleen is jar majroor, shubu jumla, khabru inna. Mursaleen comes from mursalun. It is jama muzakkar salim. Make it jama muzakkar salim, mursaluna. Now make it mansoob and majroor, mursalina. See page 4 and 5 of handbook for book 2 and 3. Now we come to our main lesson. Read the following sentences and fill in the blanks with ghaliyatun and ghalin. Ghalin, from its looks, it is majroor. There is tanween kasra, and kasra is sign of majroor. But ghalin is not majroor, it is marfu. The other examples are qadin, badin, madin, muhamin. Ghalin is marfu. When you make it muannas, it becomes ghaliyatun. From where this ya came? Ghalin is actually ghaliyun. Qadin is actually qadiyun. Wadin is actually wadiyun. Madin is actually madiyun. Muhamin is actually muhamiyun. When there is kasra on the letter before ya, then ya is dropped. And the letter before ya gets one extra compulsory kasra. We will understand more when we do the verbs. Ghaliyun is written as ghalin. When you make muannas, the ya become visible and it is ghaliyatun. Qadin becomes qadiyatun, wadin becomes wadiyatun, madin becomes madiyatun, muhamin becomes muhamiyatun. If you have to use ghalid as marfu, it will be without ya. And if you make it muannas, then the ya will come out. Ghaliyatun. Hadal qalamu ghalin. This pen is expensive. Haza is mubtada, al-qalamu is badal. Ismu shara, ismu marfa after ismu shara. Ghalin is actually ghaliyun, and it is khabar marfu. Haza is sa'atu ghaliyatun. This watch is expensive. Haza is mubtada, as-sa'atu is badal, and ghaliyatun is khabar marfu, and it is muannas. Al-kitabul arbiyatu ghaliyatun fi baladina. The Arabic books are expensive in our city. Al-kitabu is mubtada, al-arbiyatu is badal, ghaliyatun is khabar marfu wahid muannas. It is wahid muannas because kullu jama'in muannas. We treated al-kutubu as wahid muannas. So we get its khabar wahid muannas, which is ghaliyat. And fi is harfu jar, baladi is ism majroor, wa huwa mudaf, and na is mudaf ilayh. Hadha al-kitabu rakhisun wa zalika or wa zaka ghali. This book is low price and that one is expensive. Hadha is mubtada, al-kitabu is badal, rakhisun is khabar, waw is harfu. Zalika and zaka are the same thing, they are mubtada, and ghalin is khabar. Hadha al-mujamu bimiyati riyalin huwa ghalin. When we talk about the price, we add B with it. The dictionary is for 100 riyals, it is expensive. Hadha mubtada, al-mujamu badal, B harfu jar, मियाती इसम मजरूर व मुदाफ, बी मियाती जार मजरूर शुभ जुमला खबर, रियालिन मुदाफ इलैहि. Now, so next sentence, huwa is mubtada and ghalin is khabar marfu. Ghalin is marfu because it actually is ghaliyun, and its ya has been dropped and one extra compulsory kasra has been given to lam. Hadil haqibatu ghaliyatun, this bag is expensive. Hada is mubtada, al-haqibatu is badal, and ghaliyatun is khabar marfu muannas. Read the following sentences and then write them replacing the figures with the word. If it is written 100 in letters, then you have to make it mi'atu. If it is 1000, you have to make it alfu. We have done 1 to 2. Number 1, wahidun, and number 2, isnani. They always come as naat. 3 to 10, the relationship is mudaf mudaf ilayhi. The number al-adad comes as mudaf and it is singular. And the thing counted, mawdood, comes as mudaf ilayhi and it is plural. Starting from 100, the relationship is also mudaf mudaf ilayhi. But now mudaf ilayhi is singular. Hadat tilfazu bi alfi riyalin. The price of this TV is 1,000 riyals. Hada is mubtada, tilfazu is badal, B is harfu jar, alfi is ism majroor wa huwa mudaf. Bi alfi is jar majroor shubh jumla khabar, and riyalin is mudaf ilayhi. Indi alfu dollarin, I have $1,000. Indi is zarf shubh jumla khabar muqaddam. Ya mutakallim has made it indi, although it was inda. Ya mutakallim is mudaf ilayhi. Alfu is mubtada muakhar wa huwa mudaf, and dollarin is mudaf ilayhi. Fi hadal kitabi miyatu safatin. This book has 100 pages. Fi is harfu jar, hadha is ism majroor, fi hadha is jar majroor, shubh jumla khabar muqaddam. Al kitabi is badal, it has come after ismu ishara and it is ism marfu. Miyatu is mubtada muakhar wa huwa mudaf, and safatin is mudaf ilayhi. Bikum hadhil haqibatu. How much is this handbag for? Hiya bi mi'ati riyalin. It is for 100 riyals. Ya is mubtada, bi is harfu jar, mi'ati is ism majroor, wa huwa mudaf. Bi mi'ati is jar majroor, shubh jumla khabar, and riyalin is mudaf ilayhi. Fi hadhal kulliyati mi'atu talibin min Pakistan wa mi'atu talibin min Indonesia. In this college there are 100 students from Pakistan and 100 students from Indonesia. Fi is harfu jar, hadha is ism majroor, fi hadha is jar majroor, shubh jumla khabar muqaddam. Al kulliyati is badal, mi'atu is mubtada muakhar wa huwa mudaf, talibin is mudaf ilayhi. Min Pakistana is jar majroor. Waw is harfu ad, mi'atu is ma'tufun ala mi'atu, the first one. Wa huwa mudaf, and talibin is mudaf ilayhi, and min Indonesia is jar majroor. Use each of the following words in a sentence. Zakiyun. At-talibu zakiyun, the student is intelligent. At-talibu is mubtada and zakiyun is khabar. If you say talibun zakiyun, then it is only naat manut, it's not a sentence. Muhammadun zakiyun, Muhammad is intelligent, Muhammad is mubtada and zakiyun is khabar. If you say Muhammadun talibun zakiyun, Muhammad is intelligent student, Muhammadun is Mubtada, Talibun is Khabar, and Zakiyun is Naat. Hazal Kitabu Bimiyati Riyali. This book is of 100 riyals. Haza Waladun Matazabijun. This is a married boy. Hazal Waladu Matazabijun. This boy is married. Ana Matazabijun, I am married. Muhammadun Azabun, Muhammad is a bachelor. Huwa Azabun, he is a bachelor. Al-Waladu Zu Ilmin wa Khuliqin, the boy possesses good knowledge and character. Muhammadun Zu Khuliqin, Muhammad is of good character. Indi alfu dollarin, I have $1,000. Hadi Saatu Ghaliyatun, this watch is expensive. Dollars. Hadi Saatu Ghaliyatun, this watch is expensive. Al-Kalamatu Jadidatun. Zakiyun, Jama Askyahu, Ghaniyun, Jama Ghaniyau. The Zakiyun and Ghaniyun are on the pattern of Afla'u. The other examples are Asdiqa'u, Viya'u, Attibba'u. Khuluqun, Jama, Akhlaqun. Miyatun can be Miyatan, can be Miyatin. Alfu, same. Alfun, Alfan, Alfin. Rubiyatun, Jama, Rubiyatun. Mutazawwijun, Azabun, Jama, Azabun. Yahudiyun, Jama, Yahudun. Muajjamun, Jama, Muajimun. This is on the pattern of Fa'ilun, and we should remember this. Masajidu, Madarisu are other examples. Dollarun, Dollaratun. Now this Dollaratun is not Muannas, because the Wahid is Muzakkar, so this Jama is also Muzakkar. Ghalin, Muzakkar Marfu, Ghaliyatun, Muannas Marfu. Najihun, Jama, Najihuna, Jama, Muzakkar Salim. Safatun, Jama, Safahatun. Jama, Muannas Salim. Kamun, Jama, Akma-mun. I hope you remember this table. We do it again. Huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nanu. Huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nanu. Once more. Huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nanu. We do the conjugation. Qara, he read. Qara'a, qara'a, qara'u, qara'at, qara'ata, qara'ana, qara'ata, qaratuma, qaratum, qarati, qaratuma, qaratunna, qaratu, qara'ana. Huwa qara'a, ana qara'at, qara'atu, ana qara'tu, nanu qara'na, hunna qara'na, hum qara'u. In this too you have to be careful. Over here you will say qara'na. Over here it will be qara'na. Hiya qara'tu, anta qara'ta, anti qara'ti, antum qara'tum, antunna qara'tunna. Sala, he asked. Sala, sala, salu, salat, salata, salna, salta, saltuma, saltum, salti, saltuma, saltunna, saltu, salna. Huwa, sala, hiya, salat, hunna, salna, hum, salu, Danu, salna, anta, salta, anti, salti, antum, saltum, antunna, saltunna, ana, saltu. Alhamdulillah, we finished our summary today. It's a bit needing more concentration. Please do write. Inshallah, you will understand it well.